Hello traders, in this video we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair GBPUSD in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now by the end of this week's market close on Friday, we can see that GBPUSD on a weekly time frame in this week still GBPUSD continued to push down with further bearish momentum by breaking below this key level and the previous week's low over here. Now GBPUSD if continues to push down with further bearish momentum, then we mark this key level where GBPUSD might come down to as part of its bearish engulfing move if it continues to push down with further bearish momentum. And also if GBPUSD does go for some pullback, then a deeper pullback, then it might come all the way up to retest this downtrend line once again, probably at this key zone over here where GBPUSD found its resistance before pushing down with further bearish momentum. Now if we go to this daily time frame, we can see some more key zones, some more structure over here. Now in this daily time frame, you can see while moving in respect to a beautiful downtrend line on a higher time frame like weekly time frame, GBPUSD is also currently moving in respect to another downtrend line which looks something like this. As you can see, all these retest points on this downtrend line. Now GBPUSD if makes a breakout of this downtrend line with further bullish momentum, then it might come to retest this key zone over here, and a break and close above this key zone might lead GBPUSD to continue going up for some deeper pullback to probably retest this downtrend line over here and also at this key zone. But however, if GBPUSD instead of pushing up with further bullish momentum to make some deeper pullback, if it finds resistance over here and continues to push down by breaking below this low, then this is the key level that we think GBPUSD might come down to before pushing up. So you can see on this daily time frame, if you zoom in, then you can see some retest on this key level, which is why we mark this key level as a support level where GBPUSD might come down to if it makes a breakout of its previous low over here. Now if you go to this 4-hour time frame, then you can also see some of this small time frame key level as well where GBPUSD might react from as well. So in my anticipation for the upcoming week on GBPUSD is that if GBPUSD on the upcoming week makes a break and close below this key zone and continues to push down by breaking below this low over here with further bearish momentum, then you can go to shorter time frame like 30 minutes time frame and look for certain structure to be formed there on those 30 minutes time frame and look for trades on the short side in the breakout of those structure in hopes of GBPUSD pushing down with further bearish momentum all the way to retest this key level over here, which we talked about in the daily to weekly time frame. However, if GBPUSD doesn't make a clean break and close below this low over here with further bearish momentum, if GBPUSD finds strong support around at this key zone, as you can see, it has these retest points which created this key zone on GBPUSD, and as you can see, GBPUSD made a higher low over here on this key zone followed by this bullish move, which looks like GBPUSD creating a newly forming uptrend line which might look something like this. So if GBPUSD does continue to do that, if GBPUSD does respect this key zone as its support zone and continues to make a breakout of this high like this small time frame key level with further bullish momentum, then it might come to retest all the way, even breaking above this key level to all the way retest this key zone over here by making a breakout of this downtrend line over here. So if GBPUSD does make a breakout of this downtrend line with further bullish momentum, then it might come all the way up to retest this key zone over here. So you can look for trades on the breakout of this downtrend line and also on the breakout of this key level with further bullish momentum in hopes of GBPUSD coming all the way up to retest this key zone over here as part of its deeper pullback over here. However, if GBPUSD even with further bullish momentum makes a break and close above this key zone, then you can also go to shorter time frame like 30 minutes time frame and then look for certain structures to be formed after it shows signs of making a break and close above this key zone, and then look for trades on the breakout of those structure in respect to an uptrend line in hopes of GBPUSD coming all the way up to retest this high or all the way up to retest this key zone over here, which you saw on the daily time frame as well, which is right around here, and that would also create a retest on this long lasting uptrend line over here. As you can see, this key zone, a retest on this key zone also aligned with a retest on this beautiful downtrend line as well. So that's my analysis on GBPUSD in multiple time frames for the upcoming weekend. If this video helped you guys, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And to know the regular updates on my trades, make sure to follow me on Instagram from the links in the video description as well, and I'll give a link to this whole trading view chart as well, so you can see where all these trend lines and key zones and stuff are. So I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on GBPUSD.